Hi guys, Volunteer Field Ranger Katie from Dinosaur Valley State Park, and I'm back to show y'all at home easy, family-friendly craft activities dinosaur style. With Father's Day quickly approaching, I thought it would only be necessary to show y'all a craft to celebrate those special fathers and father figures in our lives. So today I'll show y'all how to make a dinosaur handprint card to celebrate those dino-tastic fathers in our lives. So let's get started. For this craft, you'll need paper, writing utensils, glue, and scissors with parental supervision if needed. The first thing to do is fold the paper hamburger style. Once that's done, it's now time to trace the hand. You'll need to trace the hand along this fold like so. For me personally, my hand is too big for the paper, so I'll use this template I found online. Once that's done, it's now time to cut. The one thing you do not want to do is cut this fold right here, which creates the card. Once cut, it's now time to draw and cut the head. Now you can do this free-handedly like I am, or you can get templates offline. Alright, once you have both parts cut, it's now time to glue the head onto the card. The best place that I found to glue the head is right inside the card like so. Though you could do it on the back side, I just found it easier to put it on the inside, that way the head has support so it won't flop down. Once that's done, it's now time to decorate. For this card, I'll be using googly eyes and shredded green paper for polka dots. You can also draw on the eyes, use pom-poms, or whatever suits your fancy. And there you have it, you have officially created your own dinosaur handprint card. I hope you all enjoyed this craft. And as always, get outside, get creative, and explore the outdoors. Thanks for watching!